celebrate yan. Gentle Giant.
No.
Ito, Maynila not so gentle on their attack. Sa Daniel. Takbo na naman ang Maynila. Corner jumper doesn't work. Rebound, Garbo Lanete with a stick back.
How are they going to stop?
Doesn't work para dito kay Magbitang. Carmelo, nakita sa kaliwa. For a jumper. Pasok yan para kay Lanete.
Ano ba yung sinasabi ni Coach Mon? Kasi nakikita naman natin. Oh.
Coming up a 30-second timeout. Carmelo din naman sa kaliwa. Jumper short. Diputado. Catch pa rin at this point. Outside jumper once again. Maynila is lighting up. Garbo Lanete with that three.
Ang mga basketball na ginagawa ang on their big net.
Lanete once again. This time around nabangga pa pero no problem. Pasok pa rin yung long two niya. He's got 11 in this first half.
Talaga, first game, he had a good first quarter pero biglang nawala. No? Nung pinalitan siya towards the early part of the second quarter.
Matamis na is pa rin. Make that 18 as Lanete scores his 13th point. Pakicheck na yung net din. Yung net dun sa kabila malamang
Tinatamaan.
pintura may diferensya rin yan. Sipin mo, Dennis, almost 3 points per minute ang production ngayon ng Maynila. 45 points in less than 15 minutes of basketball.
Sa
14 minutes pa nga. 14 minutes nga lang yun. Dahil 10-minute quarters tayo. Wala pang 4 minutes lumilibas. Yan, mahirap na yan.
Pwede yan Patricia. Metro na naman.
Oo nga. Nagkamali yan. As we take a look at Garbo Lanete coming off a 22-point explosion kontra sa Max Spot.
And first half pa lamang, more than half of yung kanyang explosion na gawa na rito.
Uy, kapausi lang para sa kanya. Si Split is Charity Garcia. Tumatakbo na naman ang Maynila. Lanete completes that break on the other end. Of Maynila. Second quarter, nagpatuloy pa rin itong Maynila at Water Dragons at pinanggit nga ni Dennis, itong si Garbo Lanete joining the party. Garbo Lanete actually came up with 12 of his 16 points doon sa quarter number 2. At ito, yung back-to-back 3-pointers kanina ni Lobaton sa harap mismo ng bench ng San Beda. Pero too much Lanete, binanggit nga ni Dennis. At yan po nagtapos ang ating first round saan 20 ang abante ng Maynila.
Kita natin yung malaking difference itong Calgary Flames. Only 33% of mga field goals samantalang Manila very impressive 51%. Rebounding hindi naman na malayo pero yung pinakamalaking factor in this first half ay yung sa may assist 16 for Manila while 7 for Calgary Flames. Add to that the 12 turnovers committed by Calgary Flames.
Ito po ang mga nagbida sa ating first half. Carmelo Lim and Jake Pascual backing up Lanete with 8 apiece. Kabila naman.
For another basket. And right now, si Lanete, ang 16 points pa rin, no? Wala pa rito sa third quarter. But no worries because malaki yung kanilang kalamangan. Second free throw, pumasok for Garbo na. Sino tinawagan ng foul? Check natin. But Sochil Malcapitz yung kanyang 3-point play. Si Kyle Pascual ang tinawagan din. Personal foul.
78-51 is the score. Maynila still in control. 3-pointer on the way. Garbo Lanete, whistles for a call. Long 2. Pero sabi niya, okay, gawin natin 4 points. Okay lang. Ayaw niya ng 3, ha. Gawin natin 4. 82-50.